Hey there, Crunchified Clean friends. Here is a full video on how I cleaned my client's bathroom. Honestly, I think I spent more time setting up the tripod and just moving my tools around. It probably would have gone quicker, but I'm not cleaning for speed, I'm cleaning for quality. But I am also cleaning for efficiency. I don't want to spend 3 hours in there if I don't have to. This is a bi-weekly client that I've had, I think, either 4 or 5 years, a long time. So I have a rhythm and a routine down. And if you're looking at how to speed up your cleaning so you can clean effectively and efficiently, hop over to my Etsy shop, Crunchy Clean by Kathy. I have a document there with lots of tips on how to clean fast and effectively. And in this video, you're going to see how I do it. I always start top to bottom, left to right. I like to hit the corners, dust, bring everything down. I don't know if you want to consider this a deep clean or a standard clean, but to me, this is cleaning. I know some cleaners may not move the bottles off of the tub or off of the counter if it's not a deep clean, and they just kind of go around it. I don't like to do that. That's not how my Portuguese mama taught me. I believe in removing stuff to clean around it and clean under it. So some companies may charge extra for that and call it a deep clean. I don't, because that to me is cleaning, even on a standard clean. So that's how I run my business, and I'm okay with that. Now, obviously, if it's massively overly decluttered, then I won't. But in this situation, it wasn't. I love using Force of Nature. It's an EPA registered all-natural disinfectant. So I use that to disinfect the surfaces, especially the toilet. Dish soap is great to scrub a tub down. I love using the Tovar Spin Mop. It also has a duster cloth type of attachment where I can use that to dry the tub off. A squeegee also comes in handy as well. I used my Microfiber Wholesale Glass and Mirror eco-friendly spray on the mirror and the windows. And I used Mississippi Candle Beach Bum all-natural cleaner that also has ethyl alcohol in it for great disinfecting properties to clean down the sink and the counter. And I like to wipe down the cabinet front as well. Vacuum up the floor and then mop my way out. Pretty simple. If you get into a routine, top to bottom, left to right, have your stuff in your apron, have the stuff that you need near you, and you just move around quickly, you can easily clean a room quick and efficiently, as long as it's not overly cluttered or overly dirty. Obviously, if something needs extra scrubbing, then it needs extra scrubbing. In this situation, it did not need a super amount of time of scrubbing. Again, it's a bi-weekly. I've been doing it for years. So it all depends on the condition. Every home is different. Every client is unique. Every situation is its own situation. So what you see in my video may not apply to you, and what I see in your video may not apply to me. But the tips of speed cleaning is doing it efficiently and effectively when you have your routine down. Top, bottom, left, right, have your tools with you. A couple all-purpose cleaners that you can use for different surfaces so you're not lugging around 6 different bottles. And I get in the zone. I'm focused. I'm there to do my job, in and out and done. So it makes my life of cleaning so much easier. When I'm cleaning the toilet, I'm not just cleaning the toilet. I like to clean around and behind the toilet. So I'm kind of hand wiping the floor around the toilet too. Before I even mop it, I'm already pre-mopping around the toilet area as well. Those are some tips on how you can clean quickly and effectively. And if you look down below and see any affiliate links for any of the cleaning products that I use, grab them with my link. I will earn commissions, so thank you very much. Enjoy watching the rest of the video. Comment down below if you like the video. If you want to see any more long form videos of mine, I can work on them for you. Head over to my Etsy shop. I have documents and forms there that you can download for your cleaning business or for your home with tips and tricks on how to clean, business tips. I have an ebook of all eco-friendly cleaning tips and tricks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. If you want to check out my newsletter, go on crunchycleaningbyKathy.com, sign up for a free newsletter, and check me out on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Share the video, like, comment, love, subscribe, do all that stuff. That helps me get more views so I can keep doing what I love to do and keep sharing some more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.